Pilipinas! Welcome back to Staycationers. Today, we're going to Yokis Farm, just about 2 hours away from Metro Manila, near Tagaytay City. You can easily find it on Waze. Just search for Yokis Farm. Are you ready? Let's go! And we're here! For reference guys, we visited last October 27, Monday morning. And just a quick tip, it's best to go early to avoid the heat and crowds. And don't forget to bring a portable fan, sunscreen, and wear your comfortable shoes since most of the activities here involve walking outdoors. They're open daily from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Here are the updated rates. We got the Animal Encounter package for 900 per person plus 150 for the tour guide. That's good for 15 packs. So for 2 packs, we paid a total of 1,950.
Farm. By the way, ako po si JP and welcome po dito sa Yokis Farm. So itong farm is private owned siya na binuksan sa public. And 1996 pa tong farm, 2005 pa siya inopen, unti-unti lang siyang dinevelop. And may lawak itong 10 hectares, pero 4 pa lang naman yung nagagay. So yung tour natin is more than 1 hour dahil kayo is animal encounter, makikita kayo ng animals. Then after the tour, you can have your free time po. Meron po kaming food court yung gusto nyo. Kung may kasama saan kayong bata, may playground. Pag sinabing stingray is freshwater. Pag sa dagat, manta ray ang tawag. Manta rays, yun yung nakita lang sa ocean park.
Oo.
Yung malaki.
Happy ka?
Oo. Sige, narakbang kayo. Tapos, ayan ay originally sa South America nakatira sa Amazon River. Kasama yung mga crocodiles, anaconda, jaguar. So, mostly ang predators nila is jaguars at anaconda. Tigas ng fur nila. Parang walis tambo. Yung matalikod. Yan yung pwedeng ipet. Yan. Ito. Ito si Harley, taga-kain lang.
Tagakain.
Ay, ito mas malamang.
Touch nyo.
Sige, touch mo.
Ayos ka ba?
Mali. Oh, touch mo daw siya.
Tigas naman niya. Phil!
Oo nga. Parang ano, rubber.
Yes, kaya pag ganyang kakain kayo ganyan, dapat nakaturbo kaya.
Oh,
Kaya ano, yes.
God! Oh, binalik niya na.
Yan.
Maganda. Hi.
Sino nagagano sa bahay?
So dinosaur bird cassowary. Tingnan nyo naman yung paa niya. So same siya sa Velociraptor. Yan ay most dangerous bird. Mas dangerous siya sa ostrich. Kung pumasok tayo sa loob, yung sipa niyan is paharap, pwede bumaon sa atin ito.
Ah.
Tapos, yung kupa niya kay mamasag ng ulo ng tao. Territorial po yan, that's why aggressive siya. So yung nakapasok lang dyan, i-keeper naman na ng food, like fruits and pellets. Kaya niya lang isang buong apple.
Wow.
Yes.
Girl or boy?
Kakaw nito.
Ayan, kung trip nyo sumakay sa mga statue, pwede. Kaya-kaya kayo. Metal yan.
Kayang-kaya talaga.
Metal yan.